Hello everyone, welcome to Swhizz Technologies. I am Santosh. I will be teaching you what is Node.js and what is the importance and everything in detail in Node.js. So before entering into dive deep into the what is Node.js and everything, let's learn what is server side. Server is nothing but it's a backend side where front end we will use a React and HTML, CSS, all these things. Server is like a backend we will use the CRUD operations and managing with the database. So basically the backend server side we have so many languages like Java, PHP, .NET, and the present trending technology which is Node.js, where the programming language which we will learn is JavaScript. So here you can understand once you learn the JavaScript you can learn both React.js as a front end and backend as a Node.js. So let's in this video we will learn detail about what is Node.js and what is the importance of it and a brief introduction about it. So Node.js is nothing but an server-side environment. Means it's not in like a complete server. It's an environment to write the server script. That is what the Node.js is used. So that we can use multiple creations like a we can use our creativity to create multiple APIs, which we will learn about APIs in detail in the further classes, where here you will learn APIs and how we are integrating it with a database like MongoDB or MySQL, GraphQL, anything. So Node.js is a server-side environment, runtime environment we are using it. So here we are using it a V8 engine so that the JavaScript code will be executed here in the web development. In Node.js we will use the asynchronous flow where event-driven nature in the Node.js, so that the seamless API callings will be happen without any blockage. That is the main usage of the Node.js, advantage of the Node.js. So in Node.js we will have multiple packages so that you don't need to take a link or external anything stuff. We will have multiple packages so that we can link the packages and we can use that, and there are multiple tools and libraries to create the APIs, and also the power of community is a very vast compared to other technologies in the Node.js. So here in the Node.js you will use a framework where then the for the Node.js runtime environment is that Express.js. So in MERN, as you can see, M is the MongoDB is the database which will be connecting it, and E is the Express.js, and N is the Node.js, and R is the React which we'll use in the front end. Apart from this, these are the three things M, E and N are used in the backend for the server side and connectivity with the database. So this is what Express.js is, like a framework for the Node.js. So you guys have learned about you are using WhatsApp, right? For sending WhatsApp or receiving notifications or messages, everything real-time communications, we will use the socket.io as an NPM extension, where everything like communication in the real time we will use it in the further classes. And this is a basic example why Node.js is like a best thing compared to other technologies and trending right now is because we can have an NPM module of the socket.io and we can connect with it and we can use the interaction for the real-time scenarios. So this is just a brief introduction about Node.js and what are the things you'll use in the backend and what is Express.js and how we are connecting Node.js, Express.js, and like a MongoDB as a database or as MySQL or GraphQL, any database. So let's meet up in the further classes in detail about what is Node.js and everything in structure. Thank you.